IMA PG is a 50-plus-year-old organization in the manufacturing blister machines, cartoning machines, end-of-the-line machines, tablet counting lines, case packers, and pre-filled syringes assembly machines. This machine is a blister machine which we have displayed at P-MEC 2018 along with a cartoner and a track and trace system and a case packer. It's a completely integrated line giving you 250 to 300 blisters and cartoners per minute. In this machine, each of the station is controlled by the BNR servo systems, which enables us to precisely control the stations, which is required for us to get world-class quality packs at the end of the machine. In this machine, through the use of map technology, system diagnostics, various task classes for high-speed program execution, a single comprehensive development platform of Automation Studio, we have derived immense benefits in the speed, comprehensiveness, and robustness of the control solution. We have worked very closely with BNR, and I would say that it's a team effort between BNR and the IMA PG team to come out with wonderful solutions. Thank you.